right here, Turtles two-wheelers. So a couple weeks ago, I was on Facebook and I was scrolling through looking for some footrest for the Vulcan, right? And then I go into the Vulcan S scoop page and I'm searching through footrest. You know, this guy out of the UK, he manufactures these custom footrests, and I saw the pictures. I was like, no way, they look sick. All right, so I placed an order with this guy, super friendly, amazing customer service. He gave me updates all along the way, and yeah, they just came. I want to show you guys. Check it out. All right, so let's see. Here it is. Little thing, it says thank you for your purchase. Here's a little run through how to install the footrest for your Vulcan S. Remove the two bolts from under the stock peg. Remove the rubber part of the peg. Place the heel board on top of the metal peg with rubber. Seems simple enough, honestly. Here they are. Yeah, these look sweet. I think install is super simple, honestly. You just take off the stock pegs there, remove the two bolts. I think you just literally put these right underneath them. Comes with 4 bolts already. Yeah, I'm so excited. Stay tuned, we're gonna install it right now. Take a 4mm hex key and you're gonna go right under here. There's 2 bolts that you're gonna loosen. You're gonna take them off. I already loosened them, I got them off. They come right out, super easy. And literally, check this out. Voila, it's that easy. So we're gonna take that, put it to the side for now. And we're gonna take our footrest here. Fresh, right from the factory. Yeah, this thing's awesome. Is it a perfect fit? I think it is. Yes. All right. Cool. Let's take these screws. Place the footrest there. And take the old stock peg. Alright guys, so install is complete. It literally took me like 2 minutes. Check this out. Yeah, these things are so cool. Alright, and just to give you an idea, I've got a size 13 right here. And let's see, does it fit? I think it does. Yeah, that's real nice. I can still get into the shifter. Yeah. I might adjust the shifter and raise it up just a little bit. But yeah, that feels really nice. Nice little support on my heel there.